Good morning children, how are you? Hoping all of you are fine and safe. Dear students, in the previous class we had started chapter M2 volume and surface area exercise 2A till question number 13. Now we are going to start question number 14. Here is the question. Find the volume of a cylinder with the following dimension. First part is given, radius of the base is 14 centimeter and height is 36 centimeter. So let us find out its volume. So first part, let us see first part. Radius is given 14 centimeter and height is given 36 centimeter. Therefore volume is equal to what? Let us see. As we know, volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So here in place of pi we'll write down 22 by 7 into, in place of r we'll write down 14 into 14 into height is 36 given. 7 to the 14. Now let us multiply 22 into 2, that is equal to 44 into 14 into 36. Let us multiply. When you will multiply this number, you will get it 22176. This is equal to 22176 centimeter cube. This will be our answer. Now we will see third part of this question. It is given diameter is 7 meter, height is 5 meter. We have to find out the volume. So volume of, we will write down like this, volume of the cylinder, of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Here in place of pi we will write down 22 by 7. In place of r, what will be the r? As we know, r is a die upon 2 means 7 by 2. So in place of r we will write down 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 5. So 7 will cancel out, 2 11 ja. So here 11 into 35 by 2. So let us multiply 11 5 is 55, 11 3 85 by 2. That is equal to 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18, 2 2 ja 4. This much cubic meter, 192.5 cubic meter will be our answer. Now let us see question number 15. A cylindrical water tank is 2.1 meter long and its radius is 1 meter. Find the quantity of the water in liter that can be stored in the tank. Suppose this is a tank whose height is 2.1 meter given and radius is given 1 meter. So let us find out the water which can that can be held by this tank. So ultimately we have to find out the volume. So let us find out the volume of the tank is equal to pi r square h. So here we will write down, in place of pi we will write down 22 by 7, in place of radius that is 1 and height is 2.1 meter. Now we will write down 22 upon 7 into 1 into 2.1 which is equal to 0.3. Now we will write down 22 into 0.3. By multiplication we will get it 6.6 cubic meter. As we know, since 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. Therefore 6.6 cubic meter is equal to what? 6.6 into 1000 liter. LTR means liter. So it will be 6600 liter. Answer. This much water it can hold. 6600 liter it can hold. Now we will see the next question number 16. Find the radius of the base of the cylinder if its volume is 2310 centimeter cube and height is 15 centimeter given. So let us find out the radius. As we know, volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. So here volume is given 2310 is equal to, in place of pi we will write down 22 upon 7, r square we have to find out and height is given 15. Now we will make it a cross multiplication, then it will become 2310 into 7 is equal to 22 into 15 into r square. Now we will transpose this number to the left hand side, then it will become 2310 into 7 upon 22 into 15 is equal to r square. Now let us divide this number by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 6s are 30, 5 2s are 10. Now here 22 2s are 44, 22 1s are 22. Now 3 7s are 21. Therefore it will be 49 is equal to r square. So r is equal to root over 49. Therefore r is equal to 7. It means radius is equal to 7 centimeter. This is our answer. Now we will see next question number 17. Find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 924 centimeter cube and radius of the base is 7 centimeter. It is given. So here we will write down volume is equal to 924 centimeter cube, radius is 7 centimeter. We have to find out the height. Let us see how we will find out. As we know, volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Pi r square h. So here volume, in place of volume we will write down 924. In place of pi we will write down 22 upon 7, and radius is given 7 into 7, and height we don't know, that we have to find out. Now we will make it a cross multiplication. 924 into 7 is equal to 22 into 7 into 7 into height. Now we will transpose this number to this side. So it will be 924 into 7 upon 22 into 7 into 7 is equal to h. So this 7 will cancel out. Now let us divide this by 7. So 7 1 is 7, 22, 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. Now by 22, let us divide 132 by 22. How many times it will go? It will go by 6 times. So here we will write down therefore h is equal to 6, or we will write down therefore height is equal to 6 centimeter. This will be our answer. So dear students, today this much only. We will see next in the next class. Thank you and take care.